On 27th of December, I went to the village just to visit the parents. It was such a good time. We enjoyed the trip, we enjoyed the views. While there, I was also having an opportunity to find quite a delicacy, a vegetable that I had not eaten in a very long time. This is the vegetable that I found. It is called in the vernacular Dzalanyamba or chikoba. So this is the vegetable that I'll be preparing. I haven't had this vegetable in quite a long time. I'll prepare this, and some of the ingredients are bicarbonate of soda. It's here, soda bicarbonate. Then there is also this kitchen salt I'll use there in the dish. And here it's peanut flour. In the vernacular we call it sinjiro. One of the activities that we took while on our visit to the village is that we went to see the Lilongwe River passing through the Thuma Forest Reserve. So this is the Lilongwe River. It starts all the way from the Dzalanyamba Forest Reserve, and it passes through Lilongwe, and now it's passing through the Thuma Forest Reserve here in Idowa district. Yeah, so the Lilongwe River proceeds to Linthicum River, which later on flows in Lake Malawi. So if you have watched my other videos, Kamuzu Dam 1 and Kamuzu Dam 2, both these dams were formed on this river, Lilongwe River, which originates from the Dzalanyamba Forest Reserve. I've taken my pot, there is water, I'll just put it on the heat, on the stove. I'll put the water on high so that it should boil quickly, and to help with the boiling, I'll just have to cover it, and I'll finish cooking when the water boils up. So our water has boiled. As it has boiled, I'll take a little bit of the vegetable, Dzalanyamba, and I'll put it in the water. Yeah, not much. Here it is. I've added the Dzalanyamba. I'll cover it up. It should boil for a while, then I'll proceed to add the bicarbonate of soda.
Stand up, please.
Now I'll put bicarbonate of soda, about 5 grams. That is it, and becomes softer. This is why we are adding bicarbonate of soda. And we also cover it for some minutes. Now I'm going to put some tomatoes. Tomato. cover it again. So now I'll stir it a little bit, and I'll take my salt, kitchen salt, and apply it. Not apply too much salt because the other people, they don't eat much salt. Then I'll take my peanut flour, sinjiro. I'll just put it on top. I'll not stir it in. I'll just leave it on top until it cooks. I don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pot. That's why I'm not stirring it in. So I'll just put it on top. I'll leave, I'll wait, I'll reduce the heat a little bit. It should cook slowly until the peanut flour cooks. Then later on, that's when I'm gonna stir it up. Final product. It's very nice.